visitor. We got special visitor. We are going to be doing some brownie. Oreo. Brownie Oreo.
4.
Cooking with Ayden.
They're cookies.
Yeah,
And this one still has icing on it. That one's super
Oh, it came with crushed Oreos.
This still has ice.
Alright, guys, we're done.
Thank you, Ashlyn, for holding that. Take it.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Yes.
Well, we can take turns. Alright, now what are we doing?
Pour it in the blue bowl, honey.
Okay.
Wait, Mom, that is someone recommend this.
Hmm?
That's someone recommend this.
Because on your other, I think it was the Reese one or whatnot, someone had said that you guys should do the Oreo one.
Alright, now hold on, you guys.
It smells yummy.
All right.
We need to pat it down.
Okay.
It's always essential. Hey guys, come here. Come here, you guys. Come look at this.
No difference about it.
Do all of the oil, and then I think the water is only 4 spoons of the water.
Okay. All the.
No, 3 spoons. Yes.
Now 3 spoons of water.
Yeah.
Here, I'll sit down so y'all can see me.
I already have a spoon in there for the water. Yeah. Go
Put
ahead.
on bowls and that's side to side.
Are we not supposed to be seeing you?
No, I don't know. Are you?
Alright, you guys.
How many did you do? 3?
3.
Do one more because some of those were a little small.
How big do you want it to be?
There you go. That's good. All right, Ashlyn, do 1 egg.
1 egg. Can I put this in the water?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure. There you go. It's okay. Ayden, don't touch over there. Oh, Ashlyn's making a giant mess with our egg today. Oh, honey. There.
Mom,
Hey, guys,
there's
look at
egg yolk in there. It's like so.
That's on. Yep, start stirring it up. Oh!
Oopsie. That was an egg.
Oh, Burrell.
That eggy was
Hey guys, look at me. Look at me.
We're not talking about the bad that's flying everywhere. We're not talking about this bad that's just flying everywhere because it wants to be free.
And see, guys, this is why I use the bathroom.
Get the bottom and then get the sides.
Mommy, you left the
Good.
scoop outside.
That's okay.
All right, and hey,
Are you eating the ingredients?
hey, I want some ingredients.
Okay, go ahead and
Here,
flip it upside down.
Here, can somebody hold it for me?
Mm-hmm.
You don't need anything.
Hmm?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Hey, I'm gonna need somebody to grab that spoon for me, please. Here, I can get it from that. Here.
I'm gonna eat more ingredients.
Hey guys, let's break this.
What are you guys doing now?
Now we're gonna put this in there.
Okay, go
Hey,
ahead.
Hey, wait, can I throw this?
No.
I was just gonna do
Yep.
this, like.
Sure. There you go. You guys are doing a very good job decorating.
We're decorating our mouths.
Decorating your mouth. Okay.
Younger than him. I don't understand.
Now here, Ashlyn. No.
Okay, let's see them.
I think no, or do I have to do anything else?
You can leave them.
Is the oven on?
No, it's not on, so it's not gonna burn you if you touch it. You're good. I'll get it on in just a second.
Now we just close it up. Turn the oven light on. Relax.
Sound
We'll be
good?
back in 20-25 minutes.
All
Bye,
right.
guys.
All right. How do they smell?
Actually, mine already.
That smells good.
Go ahead.
It's kind of crumbly.
Ooh, Ashlyn got a cookie and cream bite. That's yummy. And you both got some milk, right? Okay. All right. Well, Ashlyn already said it's yummy. Ashlyn, 1 out of 10. What are you thinking?
10,000.
A 10. Is that your favorite brownie so far? All right, Ayden. What about you?
Reese's was better. Reese's was better.
Reese's was better. Okay.
9.
You'd give it a 9? Okay. Good job.
Bye guys, subscribe. Comment down below what video we should do next.